everyone, it's What's Cooking, and today is
our 7th anniversary.
So,
the actual real 7th anniversary, not anniversaries of dates.
I did make brunch.
You did make brunch. It was excellent. That was really, really good, as a matter of fact.
Yummy. So Jimmy Dean's bulk sausage sauté. Then I divided it in the pan, and I cracked 4 of the girls' eggs, and I put Gruyere cheese over it, and I baked it in the oven. It was good.
Oh, it was really good.
Oh, and I had
Bloody Marys?
No, I had that red sauce that Roberto and I made before.
Oh yeah, what was that?
Shashuka?
It was the Espinosa episode.
Anyway, so today's our anniversary, and so instead of cooking, we are supporting small businesses and our chefs. And we just got back from Oceanside, where we saw Chef William Eck, who is phenomenal, and he did the 60th birthday party last year for our dear fearless leader Penny Nathan, and cooked.
Did a wonderful job.
Oh my
gosh, so good.
So good.
Yeah.
And he cooked at the Borelli Design Studio and used the purple oven, which is super, super cool. And so Philip wanted to do something special. He wanted to have like a chef come here, but I couldn't do that. So it was weird, like wearing the mask and going up there. But Chef William, the city of Oceanside. Oh, that's Mackenzie. You might have
to check on her.
She might need to go. She's barking at our neighbor Joe. He's like 86, and he's really, vicious. No, he's not. Every time she sees him, she barks at him. But anyway, so Chef William from the city of Oceanside, he is feeding 7 days a week, 70 homeless people, 3 meals a day. So that is amazing. So cool that Oceanside is doing that, and contacted him to help out. And so we picked up, so Chef William, Mission Avenue Bar and Grill, located on Mission Avenue in Oceanside.
Which has really good food. And
they're doing curbside pickup. Not only that, he also started a bread company.
Well, they were closed today. Doing
this special Japanese bread, and he's helping other restaurants with his supplies. And all of this is on my Facebook wall, and all the links to how to order food from him as well. And his Matsu, very specific Japanese pop-up restaurant. And you can order Matsu and have this crazy dining experience, which we're having some of tonight, which is a triple seared American Wagyu with tamarind, steak paste. Okay, so I haven't even opened it yet.
I did. It looks really good.
So we're gonna plate all this, but this looks beautiful
really
and
good
delicious
too. Yeah.
and amazing.
Where do we start with?
Oh, we're gonna start with our neighbor Jan's daughter Melissa made us a Lithuanian from scratch roasted beef soup.
Beets.
So we're gonna start with the color. Look at the color on this. It's like purple. Oh my God, that's crazy looking. Hang on.
Soup.
I mean, I don't know if you guys can see the color of this, but this is beautiful, and you eat it cold. So we're gonna have Lithuanian beet soup, and then we've got asparagus with a black garlic cashew shallot. We have grilled squash teriyaki kumquat. We have Japanese, I think this is sweet potato, spicy vegan satay with grilled pears. Ooh, and it's beautiful. You should see how pretty that is.
Really pretty.
And then this is a Szechuan chanterelle mushrooms. And
with white cheddar. With aged white cheddar.
Okay. Yes.
4 year aged.
Okay. My glasses are right here. There they are. I'm not wearing them because then I couldn't see the screen. And then Chef William sent us home with a Union Sacra Squire Pinot Noir, and he said it was one of his favorite bottles. So super excited to see him today.
What are we starting out with here?
Oh, and we're gonna. Well, I was gonna finish with that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So anyway, supporting small businesses, so important to do if you can. And we have Kalala's candle right here, the lemon. Smells delicious. Oh my gosh, it's raining out. Holy moly.
It was spritzing earlier, too.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Oh dear. didn't know that was coming. Although, what's her name? Alexa told me it was gonna rain today. So we had this delicious dinner that we're gonna plate up and have, and then we stopped at Pacific Coast Spirits, and they did a pivot, and they're now making hand sanitizers. So we bought a half a gallon of this, and I just ordered 1 ounce bottles so that we can pass these out to folks that may need hand sanitizer. So we stopped there in Oceanside and grabbed those. So what else? Trying to think. I think that might be it.
That might be it.
Yeah. Philip got me really pretty flowers today for our anniversary.
After Mother's Day, that was all
Yeah,
they
he
had.
said
that
it-
was all they had.
The pickings were slim.
One place I went, they had no flowers, and this place they had these daisies,
Yeah.
which were pretty daisies, fortunately, and her favorite colors.
So we just want to make sure everybody is healthy, safe. You know, hopefully everybody's okay out there and doing the best that they can do during these times. And don't forget to support our local musicians anywhere you are. Johnny Char did a show today at 2 o'clock. He's doing a show on Friday at 6. He and I are going to do an Instagram Live. Sandra VM, who has Mariposa, who comes into your closet and helps you shop in your closet and does really cool fashion things. We're going to do either Facebook Live or Instagram Live on Thursday at 11 to support her. So it helps you if you are on a budget to just use the clothes that you have in your closet. Or, you know.
You've used her several times.
Several times.
Yeah.
She's awesome. And then, of course, we have La Bellage. Hey, I wore my La Bellage, I can't speak, face mask today that Jasmine made. And I wore that when we went out just now. So that was pretty cool. My kind of bluish one. I love that one. And that's about it. So we're going to have a toast.
All right.
To...
Here's to our 7 years and
Yeah.
to you.
Thank you,
And
thank you.
to many, many, many more.
All right, everybody, stay physically distant while staying socially connected. Everybody stay healthy, be well, and we'll touch base manana.
Cheers.
That's good. See ya.
That is good.